Greetings, members of SAFPA. This is the Public Relations Officer, Mr. Thabo Banda. We are very excited with the new journey that we are about to take. We want to urge all our members to rally behind the new executive and ensure that we work together. We are promising our distinguished members that we are going to work very hard in ensuring that we put SAFPA into great heights and to a map where it deserves to be. We urge all members to rally behind this new executive in ensuring that we build our businesses and grow our businesses and make sure that SAFPA is a different SAFPA. We pledge to our members that we will go through legislation and ensure that we work with all other stakeholders to maintain a professional standard and integrity. I thank you.